Welcome to another edition of Body by Tommy. Before we get any further, I want you to do one thing. I want you to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications. We're going to try to reach 300 more subscribers by the end of the summer. Just 300 more subscribers by the end of the summer. Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications. Over the last 4 months, a lot of us have been quarantined. The gyms has been closed, so on and so forth. But there is no excuse not to continue to work out. So during the quarantine, I lost 19 pounds. Check this out. Damn! That's right, 19 pounds. I'm going to show you how I lost 19 pounds. Again, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to show you how I lost 19 pounds. Coming up next. Damn! Welcome to another edition of Body by Tommy. I'm going to show you how I lost 19 pounds during the pandemic. 19 pounds in a little less than 3 months. Right now, I'm doing my stationary bike ride. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach, I do what is called fasted cardio. Fasted cardio is exercising, doing my cardio on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. So what the body is doing is using your fat stores as fuel as opposed to using carbohydrates. Because in the morning, after you fasted for 8 hours during your sleep, what is your body doing? Your body is depleted of your carbs, of carbohydrates. So the only source of energy it can get is through fat. So right now I am doing a 20-second sprint on the bicycle. Go all out for 20 seconds as fast as you can. And I don't mean 15 seconds. I don't mean 18.9 seconds. I mean 20 seconds all out. Now for about a minute or 2 minutes, depending on your level of fitness, you're just going to ride the bicycle at a regular pace. Just ride at a regular pace, and just to get the heart rate steady, keep the heart rate steady during this moment. Once again, what we're doing is fasted cardio. And with the fasted cardio is cardio first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This program is actually called the HIIT program, HIIT, which stands for high intensity interval training. Now, after about a minute or two, you're going to go all out for 20 seconds. And this is going to be torture. But this is what you need to do in order to lose weight, lose body fat, and get that new body that you want for the summer. Once again, all out for 20 seconds. I don't mean 17, I don't mean 18, I only mean 19.5. 20 seconds, you're gonna go all out. Now for the next minute or two, once again, depending on your level of fitness, you're just gonna ride the bicycle at a steady pace. What the body is doing, you're confusing the body. The body doesn't know where to get its energy source, from fat or from carbs. So when you exercise in this fashion, the HIIT program, HIIT, the body has no choice but to get its energy source from fat. When you're losing fat, what are you doing? You're losing weight. Here I am going at all out for 20 seconds, as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Just keep going, don't stop for 20 seconds. And then I'm gonna go at a regular pace for about a minute or two. This is my HIIT program I was using every morning, 7 days straight. Now I don't suggest you do 7 days. You can do 3 days, you can do 4, you can do 5. Since I was quarantined and was doing absolutely nothing during the 4 months, I was exercising every single day. Oh, I hear the sirens going. There you go. That means that we're gonna go to an emergency phase. So right now, I'm doing weight training. So we're doing a form of clean and jerk. You're gonna clean the weight, jerk it up. Clean the weight and jerk it straight up. This is a good all-around aerobic exercise. You're working your hamstrings, you're working your buttocks, you're working your quads, also working your shoulders. Notice the stance that I'm doing in the clean and jerk. You're also doing a core workout as well. This is an amazing workout to burn body fat. You must put this in your program. Now, in between the bike and this form of working out, I usually take 5 to 10 minute breaks in between the two of the aerobic bike, stationary bike ride, and going right into the weight training. So I usually take a 5 to 10 minute break and I go right into the clean and jerk. This is just another angle of the clean and jerk. I usually do anywhere between 15 and 20 repetitions. And in between the 15 and 20 repetitions, I do anywhere between a 20 and 30 second rest period, again depending on your level of fitness, and go right into the next exercise. So after the rest period, 20 to 30 seconds, what I'm doing right now, I'm doing squats and military press. Squat and military press. Squat, go all the way down and press the weight straight up. Once again, you're working the total body, your hamstrings, your glutes, your quads, your shoulders, and you're also working your core. This is an amazing workout, cardio workout. So it works the total body. Excellent workout to keep the fat loss down, or keep the fat loss up, I should say, and keep your strength levels up as well. Now this is called just to clean, just clean the weight. You're not so much jerking it up, but this is another great aerobic workout. You're just keeping the weight balanced, keeping your body balanced, and once again, it's a good all-around workout, and it works out your total body. Just another angle of the workout so you can see how far down I'm going while performing this workout. Once again, in between the workouts, in between the different exercises, you're going to do 20 to 30 second rest period, and you're just going to go right into the next workout. Now I love this exercise. This exercise, what I'm doing right here is forward lunges. So when you're doing your lunging your body forward, a total body workout. Notice when I'm lunging, what I'm doing to my arms, I'm curling the weights. So it's a form of hammer curls. So you're also working the biceps during this workout, along as with your legs, and keeping your cardio workout intact. Just another angle so you can see how far down I'm going, and notice how I'm curling the biceps while performing this exercise. Total body workout, total body exercise. Tell me what you think about this workout. And once again, I lost 19 pounds in about 4 months. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. On the road to 300 subscribers. Happy training.